Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is speaking topic, which is describe a favorite building in your hometown. Well, thank you for giving me a chance for this wonderful topic. We have to answer like this. We have to start the answer from thank you very much, or first of all I would like to talk about the इस तरह से हम क्या करेंगे आंसर को स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्टली हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस वंडरफुल टॉपिक एंड आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट द mall which is situated in my hometown, which is ambience mall, and I like the incredible structure for that mall. This is one of the most popular building in our town, and the building once was the city hall, and it was built in 1990s by the emperor, and some renovation works has been done on the mall, but the original design it was not changed. So mall is still gives the impression of a fine architecture in the city, and it also attracts the tourists. It attracts so many tourists each day. People like to look at its place design of its building, and the interior is full of shops. Everything is full of flowers, and everything is decorated with the flowers, and the bound of love which shows the it has a rich experience, and it offers to everybody. And the building is located near the Delhi airport, which is the central part of the city, and it is more crowded in the festival timings. So all in all, the answer to your question is the ambience mall is the favorite place which I like in my town. So इस तरह से हम क्या करेंगे आंसर करेंगे किसी भी स्पीकिंग टॉपिक का, एंड दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. सो प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.